Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to delete all liked videos on YouTube. All right. So the first method would be the manual method, which is by clearing individual likes. And the second method is the fastest one, which is by using your Google activity. Now, first up, go to your profile right here at the very bottom. Now, scroll down and find a playlist if you have it right here. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then you'll find liked videos. Okay. So you can go ahead and tap on liked videos and then go ahead and find whichever video you wanted to remove. Okay. Remove from disliked videos. So go ahead and do it one by one if you want to, but do take note, it will reset your algorithm. All right. The playlist will fundamentally change your user experience on the platform. So just do keep that in mind. Now, if you don't want that option, well, you can go ahead and go to your favorite browser, just like Google Chrome, and type down Google account. All right. So tap on Google accounts right here at accounts.google.com. And then once you're in here, go to the top, tap on the search bar and just type down activity or my activity. All right. You got to tap on it under data and privacy. So just tap. So as you can see here, we have a YouTube history. You can go ahead and tap on the right arrow key. And then at the top, just go ahead over to interactions. And then in here, you'll be able to see videos likes or video likes and dislikes. So just tap on it. All right. So to delete them all, just tap on the three dots and tap on delete all. I'm not going to do it. I don't want to mess around with my current algorithm as I like it. All right. So just tap on delete all. And once that's done, you're good to go. That's how easy it is to delete all liked videos on YouTube. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.